procedural Johnny Depp, ruined, Amber Heard attacks his legal guarantor. She has vanished from the radar after the infamous interview given to American television, in which she continued to accuse Johnny Depp of domestic violence despite the court's ruling against her. According to TMZ, actress Amber Heard is about to file a complaint against the insurance provider that was supposed to defend her in the defamation case brought by her ex-husband before the Fairfax, Virginia, court. According to the legal records consulted by the website, the New York Marine and General Insurance Co. would rely on a statute allowing it to terminate the contract in the event that its client was found to be irreparably damaged. Amber Heard stated the exact opposite, claiming that the company had agreed to pay her legal expenses as well as any potential damages and interest costs up to $1 million, or the popular jury found him guilty and sentenced him to pay the Pirates of the Caribbean star no less than $10 million. After the verdict was announced, the actress's defense let it be known that she wouldn't be able to pay the amount, plus the actor's exorbitant legal fees. It is safe to say that this is what drove him to sell his home in the Mojave Desert in California for $1 million, close to doubling what she had spent 2 times earlier, a sum that is still insufficient given that his or her career is about to end or is already over. She currently lived in Europe, away from the movie screens, with her daughter Unag Page. Beginning in October, Amber Heard appealed her conviction. To do this, she hired a new group of lawyers who specialize in defending free speech, which she claims was overlooked by the defense during the Virginia trial. In fact, she was assaulted by Johnny Depp after a Washington Post article that described her as a victim of domestic violence was published. The name of her ex-husband was not mentioned, but everyone knew who she had shared her life with from 2012 until 2016. Considering that he is about to resume work on Jean of Barry Damon and that he plans to make a biopic on the painter Modigliani, Johnny Depp has also made the decision to appeal the judgment that was rendered on June 1st. In fact, he had been ordered to pay the young woman $2 million as a result of a public report by one of his attorneys accusing the latter of planning a plot against his client. This stench-filled legal fueletton will eventually end, don't you think? Beginning of the week, Amber Heard received support from 130 American celebrities engaged in the fight against violence against women. In an open letter online published, they denounced the public humiliation that the actress experienced throughout the trial as well as online harassment that is, in their opinion, fueled by misinformation, misogyny, and homophobia. In fact, millions of people have mocked or misconstrued his courtroom declarations on TikTok without waiting for the outcome of the case.